Hello everyone, this is Anusha from Coral Educations. In this video, we'll be discussing about Samarkand State Medical University. So about the university, about the city, population kaisa hai, rank of the university, what all the facilities the college is providing, what about the fees, hostel, all the details will be covered to you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The university is established in 1930 itself. So many Indian students has already passed out, and the university is having so many Indian faculties also and Pakistani faculties. So you can see the crowd where Hindi speaking crowd also will be available. Next comes the connectivity from India. So usually there are two ways the student used to go. It is located in Samarkand city. तो आप लोग का उधर समरकंद सिटी में इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट भी है. तो आप Delhi to Samarkand also you can go. You have alternate days the flight is available, which will be slightly costlier. तो बच्चा इसलिए कंसिडर करते हैं दिल्ली टू ताशकंद जाते हैं. 3 घंटे का आप लोग का जर्नी होगा. फ्रॉम ताशकंद दे टेक अ बुलेट ट्रेन बिकॉज इट्स फ्रॉम ताशकंद 310 किलोमीटर्स टू समरकंद. तो 2 घंटे का बुलेट ट्रेन में वो इजिली पहुंचते. यूजुअली दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू कम्यूट. Next comes the NMC guidelines. It is completely followed in Uzbekistan. आपका 5+1 year आपका course duration होगा. That is 5 year theory plus 1 year आपका internship is included in that. Next is the license to practice. In entire Uzbekistan में ऐसा है, there is no separate exam is required. So that is the reason mainly it becomes a favorite destination for the Indian students. So about Uzbekistan, the local language आपका Russian and Uzbek is the main language. Russian भी होता है. तो the students has been taught both the language along with the course. भले आप लोग का proper NMC guideline के हिसाब से पूरा का पूरा English medium ही होगा आपका entire course, but this also will be taught. क्योंकि you will be handling the patients. 3rd year onwards you will be handling the patients. First 3 years usually in Uzbekistan में ऐसा होता है, the theoretical part will be slightly higher 70% और 30% आपका clinical exposure होगा. ये हम last 3rd year ऐसा होता है, clinical exposure will be near to 70% and 30% आप लोग का theoretical होता है, and all the patients will be mostly speaking either Russian or Uzbek. तो ये आप लोग का mandatory होता है, and the college give the benefit to the students by teaching the language along with their studies. यूनिवर्सिटी का कंट्री रैंक भी 15 है, and this speaks the quality of the education. So faculties also is well experienced handling Indian students, I assume, which I mentioned already, as it is pretty old, and the facilities provided by the universities. In fact, they have a wonderful library. Usually students Samarkand University का बाहर extra books लेते ही नहीं है, because they have a huge collections of all the medical book. It's a special medical university. ऐसा नहीं है बाकी courses भी चला रहा है. Obviously जैसा nursing हो गया, pharmacy, like that they have the courses, but everything related to a medicine line is there. So they have a huge collection of the same. Then they have the sports facility, indoor हो गया, outdoor, you name the sports, the facilities will be provided. And they have a very huge cultural event center. In fact 2 साल का पहले when Modi ji went to the Uzbekistan, the main event also happened in Samarkand University only. So you know the exact impact. So जो बच्चा का पढ़ाई में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, he can spend more time in the library, and parallelly जिस बच्चा का फ्री टाइम में कल्चरल्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहते हैं, तो that option is also available. Next comes the fee structure. So if you have a budget of 29 lakhs approximately, this is the best option in Uzbekistan. आपका tuition fees, medical insurance, visa, all your expense, आपका hostel, everything is included in this fee structure. इसके अलावा क्या क्या expense बच्चा का हो सकता है? First thing, एक तो personal expense होता है, that varies from student to student. And आप लोग हर साल you will be going travel expense होता है ना, you will be visiting over that. So that is something a separate. Hostel, you have 3 and 4 sharing bases available with all the amenities. You have a CCTV camera, so complete security है. Both है, separate hostel for boys and girls. You have kitchen facility, तो आप लोग self cook करना है तो वो option भी है. Other than that, Indian mess is available, which you can avail depends on your requirement. So I hope in this video I have covered all the major points over here. इसके अलावा भी आप लोगों का मन में कुछ डाउट्स क्वेरीज इसी यूनिवर्सिटी और कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में है तो you can just mention in our comment section. We will be giving you a 1-to-1 free counseling for the same. Thanks for watching the video till the end.